Hello now.
What be the problem?
I want you to meet my friend Rosealee.
Hola. What you just say?
Rosealee, meet Tessa, meet Rosealee.
Hello, Rose.
Hello.
Okay. She be the rose that you gave me. That one that smells.
No.
You know, go be that one.
Girl, no.
Donia, you just say she rose now.
No, that's not.
Africa you live.
No, you don't know me.
How way?
Nigeria.
Donia, tell that one about me. Why you not tell her?
Nigeria she come from.
Okay, what be the problem?
So, what was you doing now? Did you sell?
Let me tell you something. I am very upset with you.
Why is that now?
The people have spoken. We accept them. What be this one? Please, don't take my phone. Look,
Who takes your phone this time, man?
I don't know that one number. And they see the number they call me. I don't
At Jamaica you live.
Yes, Rosealee. I was born and raised in Nigeria. Migrated Jamaica. No go longer live Nigeria.
So where you live now?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Why you
shout?
Why you shout?
Then why you a shout?
Are you the one that's shouting now?
You the one that talking now.
Rosealee, fix your face.
Your voice and nah, you me ask where you come from.
Are they from my mother? Where you there from?
My father, where you probably
Okay,
come from?
don't ask me anything. I no go tell him anything.
Rosealee, take time that because she
Look
just.
at me and me up suffer.
You the one that eats me. I don't eat people. No go eat human beings. Please.
Jesus, no, behave yourself, no.
Now this one your friend. This one your friend very feisty.
Rosealee, behave no.
I fried big, you see.
They're full of brains. You don't have brain. You don't have a brain. Your brain, your head, they filled with fat. Leave
Not
am.
fat, you know me not fat, man.
I they have brain. What's the problem?
Not
be
what
the
kind of problem you don't really have.
Jesus, this one
I'm
Rosealee.
relying.
This one Rosealee. Your rose, they crush them.
How
What?
easy now?
Donia, this one your friend. No like her. So they give me problems.
What?
So if you don't understand them, leave this place.
What?
What? You dey what? What? You dey scratch record? You dey scratch?
Well, me understand where you say me say can't take time and talk to me. What water in a Pepsi bottle? What should be the rest?
I just finished my Pepsi. What be the problem? Do you have one? I dey drink water. You dey obesity. You want water?
No want a man.
Correct.
Oh no. Why?